guys, and welcome back to Y Grey Parrot e-learning hub, the place to learn and discover the world. Today, we're going to learn something completely different. I mean, completely different. Are you interested? Then let's learn about Roman numerals, which is an ancient number system. Are you wondering where you can use Roman numerals? Well then, over here, I have mentioned some of the places where you can see Roman numerals. So the first one is here, where it says Queen Elizabeth II. II means 2. And then over here, I have mentioned the Olympic medal. It also has Roman numerals. And have you seen the big clock which has Roman numerals? If you did, then you're so lucky. I wish I saw it. And it looks like this. Remember, if you did, then you're sort of getting into Roman numerals if you did see it. Now let's look at some Roman numbers. I equals 1. V equals 5. X equals 10. L equals 50. C equals 100. D equals 500. M equals 1000. If you have a V and put a bar on top, it equals 5000. And if you have an X and put a bar on top, it equals 10,000. And if you put an L and put a bar on top, it's 50,000. And if you have D and put a bar on top, it's 500,000. And if you have M and put a bar on top, it's 1 million. Now let me teach you how to say Roman numerals up to 1 to 100. So there's a little bit of rules applying in this Roman numeral numbers. So I'll be teaching that step by step. 1 equals I. 2 equals 2 I's. And 3 equals triple I's. I just want to mention that I can go more than 3 times. So for 4, you do IV. That means you're taking away 1 from 5. 5 means V. 6 means VI. That means 5 plus 1. 7 means VII. And 8 means VIII. 9 means IX. That means taking 1 away from 10. And 10 means X. So the same formula is applied for every number. So I'm just going to go randomly saying it because it's going to take a long time saying this whole graph. So now let's look at 20. How do you write 20? Well, that's easy to answer for me. XX, because 10 is X, so 10 plus 10 equals 20, isn't it? So XX means 20. Now let's look at 25. You might ask me, how do we write 25? Well, it's simple. You just write XX, which means XX means 20. And then you write a V, which means 5. So XX and V equals 25. Now let's look at 30. And you might ask me how I will write it. Well then, it's XXX. Now let me tell you the important number, 40. You might be a little confused when I'm telling 40 because you might be like, how do you write 40? Well, since the letter can't go more than 3, how do you write it? Well, you write XL because L means 50 and X means 10. So if you write XL, that means you're taking away 10 from 50. And what does it equal? Well, yeah, it equals 40. Enough talking about that abstract numbers. Now let's take a quiz. What is X plus II? Guess what is X and guess what is II? X means 10 and II means 2. And 10 plus 2 equals 12, but in Roman numerals, X plus II equals XII. Now let's look at another one. V plus III. Guess what is V and guess what is III? V means 5 and III equals 3. And what is 5 plus 3? And you know it. 5 plus 3 equals 8. But in Roman numerals, you say V plus III equals VIII, which is 8. Do you want another example? Then, what is C bar plus L? Guess what is C bar? And L stands for in actual numbers. C bar means 100,000 and L means 50. So, in actual numbers, you write it as 100,000 plus 50 equals 150. 100,050, sorry. So, in Roman numerals, you write it as C bar plus L equals C bar L. Now let's look at 3 more examples. D plus XX, Li plus Ix, V bar plus XII. Type the answers down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and share with your friends. And subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!